I'll wave at snowy Wonderland.
Here we are in our retirement home.
It's snowing. I'm not happy, Brian. Come pick me up.
Here we are on wonderful Myrtle Beach.
Our retirement in the south.
In the midst of a snowstorm. Isn't this wonderful? Take a quick run around front. See what it looks like. I'm going to slip and kill myself. Oh, that's coming on. Oh, going to the front of the house. Getting slippery over here. Whew! Regular winter wonderland here. It's not Christmas. Woo! Well, not heavy now. Look at that. Woo!
It's pretty.
Yeah, I'm getting all wet here.
I know, like I said, don't get sick.
Oh, it's still recording. Hit the wrong button.
It's snowing.